When life changes, some people resist, others struggle, but there is one group that seems to flow with it, no matter what happens: the Filipino people. To understand Filipino adaptability, you have to look at the nation's history. The Philippines has experienced more cultural transitions than almost any other country in Asia. Centuries of Spanish rule brought Catholicism, European architecture, and language changes. Then came the Americans, who introduced democracy, English education, and Hollywood culture. Before that, trade with China, India, and Arab merchants had already shaped the island's customs. Instead of losing their identity, Filipinos combined all of these influences into something new, something uniquely their own. The result is a culture that absorbs, adjusts, and transforms. Whether it is in food, language, or tradition, the Filipino way is to blend and balance. It is adaptation in its purest form. From typhoons to traffic jams, new languages to new lands, Filipinos have mastered the art of adapting. It is not just survival, it is a way of life. This adaptability is what allows millions of Filipinos to succeed anywhere in the world. From nurses in New York to engineers in Dubai, teachers in Japan, and sailors crossing oceans, they adjust, they learn, and they do well. But what makes Filipinos so adaptable? Is it culture, history, or something deeper in their character? Adaptation is easier when you are not alone, and Filipinos have a powerful sense of community. The traditional value of Bayanihan, or working together, teaches people to work together in times of change. When someone struggles, neighbors step in. When there's a problem, the community moves as one. This spirit continues even abroad. Filipino communities in other countries create support networks wherever they go, sharing housing, food, jobs, and advice. That feeling of family beyond blood helps them adapt faster than individuals who must face challenges alone. The role of faith. Faith is another strong point of Filipino adaptability. When life feels uncertain, Filipinos rely on spiritual strength. Prayer, thankfulness, and trust in God give them the emotional balance to face change calmly. This faith-based hope turns fear into acceptance. It teaches patience, forgiveness, and strength to bounce back. In every challenge, you will hear a Filipino say, "Kaya natin ito," which means, "We can do this." It is not blind hope. It is belief born from generations of enduring tough times. Few people realize how good Filipinos are with languages. The Philippines has over 170 languages and dialects, and most citizens grow up speaking at least two, their local language and Filipino, or Tagalog. Many also learn English, one of the country's official languages. This natural ability to switch between languages helps them think and communicate flexibly. It helps Filipinos adapt easily when they move or work abroad. Language experts call this code switching, and it's proven to make your mind sharper and help you understand others better, both very important for living in different places. Humor as a tool for survival. Filipino humor is famous worldwide. It can turn disaster into laughter, sadness into song. Even in the hardest moments, Filipinos find something to smile about. It is not ignoring problems, it is adapting through humor, the ability to change pain into positive feelings. This emotional strength helps keep people together during a crisis and builds connections across cultures. In many ways, Filipino humor is a form of wisdom, teaching people not to take life too seriously when everything else seems uncertain. Creativity and coming up with new ideas in everyday life are, honestly, second nature to Filipinos. Filipinos have a special talent for making things work with what they have. They can fix a car with tape, make a basketball hoop from old metal, or turn scrap materials into art. This cleverness is known locally as diskarte, which roughly means practical smarts. It means finding a way, even when you do not have many resources. Diskarte is what allows Filipinos to always be innovating. It is the same way of thinking that powers startups, small businesses, and creative industries across the country. From handmade crafts to global tech solutions, adaptability and creativity go hand in hand. Learning fast, adjusting faster. In a world that is connected globally, adaptability means learning quickly. Filipinos are masters of that. They pick up new technologies, trends, and systems at an amazing speed. That is why Filipino call centers became world-class, why Filipino animators work for Hollywood, and why Filipino nurses easily pass international exams. Education in the Philippines really focuses on being flexible, not just memorizing, but understanding. Students learn to think, adjust, and communicate in different situations. This way of educating has prepared generations to do well anywhere. Filipinos are also good at getting along with people. They build relationships easily, often fitting into different cultural and social groups. They know how to read emotions, calm down tense situations, and keep respect, even when they disagree. This understanding of emotions helps them create strong personal networks that become safety nets during change. Families, both local and abroad, stay in close touch through calls and video chats, proving that distance cannot break Filipino connection. Adaptation is not only about surviving but about staying connected through change. Technology and modern changes are honestly just part of daily life now. In today's digital world, Filipinos have used technology faster than many developed nations. They are among the top social media users globally, using platforms not only for fun, but for learning, business, and helping causes. This openness to new tools shows a group willingness to adapt to whatever the future brings. Whether it is online learning, working from home, or starting online businesses, Filipinos continue to change how they live and work. The global Filipino identity is, honestly, something remarkable. What makes the Filipino identity special is how easily it changes. It adjusts without losing its main qualities. Wherever you go, from Dubai to Toronto, Tokyo to Sydney, you will find Filipinos fitting into local life while still proudly holding on to their heritage. They can cook local food, speak local languages, follow local customs, and still sing Tagalog songs at the end of the day. This dual identity is their superpower. It allows them to be global citizens without losing their cultural roots. Lessons for the world are right here. In a time when the world faces uncertainty, the Filipino example teaches something vital. Adaptability is not weakness, it is wisdom. It is knowing when to bend and when to stand firm. It is adjusting to new realities without losing yourself. Filipinos remind us that true strength is not in control, but in flexibility. They prove that even in chaos, people can remain kind, hopeful, and united. The secret behind Filipino adaptability is, well, not what you might expect. So what is the secret? It is not money, technology, or luck. It is values. Filipinos grow up learning empathy, respect, patience, and humor, all of which build emotional intelligence. Those traits create a mindset that sees challenges not as threats, but as chances to grow. It is a culture built on faith, family, and flexibility. A culture that believes that life, no matter how hard, is always worth living. That is why, wherever you go, you will meet Filipinos who smile, work hard, and make others feel at home. They are not just survivors, they are adapters, they are bridge builders, they are the quiet connectors who remind the world that humanity is strongest when it can change and still care.